Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Taken Rechargeable C Batteries with charger. Now this charger works for C and D batteries. I believe it's a 4-pack of C batteries, so we're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, get 4 Type C batteries. So this will be a Type C charger as well as a D charger. And I believe that the difference is these little springs here. So we'll get this unwrapped real quick and show you, what it looks like. All right, so once you get that undone, you'll see that it is a USB-C charging port. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C charger adapter. No charging block, just be aware. And again, the C's will just go in real simple. If you had a D, it would go all the way down and take up a little bit more space. I'm sorry for that loud click. But these go in really simple and easy. And we're just going to show you them charging up and then talk a little bit about their power and everything like that. All right, so we'll get this plugged in and let you see what goes on. As you can see, you'll just kind of light up at first, and then it'll kind of show you the process. These are obviously empty or pretty close to, so they will take a couple hours to get the first charge going. There are 2,000 cycles in these apparently. Now, I've never actually verified this. I have bought Taken batteries before. Note that these are an NiMH battery. They are good for up to 10 years. 70% of the battery will be left if you leave them 10 years just on the shelf life, they call it. But you get 2,000 cycles, so that means use it, recycle, or recharge it. That's a cycle. I can't verify that. That's what they tell me. I've never used any battery 2,000 times, whether it's a rechargeable or a regular battery. I've never really kind of gotten anywhere near that. And any brand, Taken, Energizer, Duracell, any of the big name brands, I've never ever used any battery more than probably like 50 to 100 times. So I don't know if 2,000 is true or not, but that's what they say. So just be aware. Again, it'll take about 2 hours usually, hour to 2 hours to get these things fully charged up. But to me, they're awesome. My wife goes through C batteries like they're water, and so having rechargeables is really important for me. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.